Hi guys, it's Mrs. C, and it is a beautiful sunny day, and I thought, this might be a really fun day to try and make a solar oven. What does that mean, a solar oven? Well, solar is the sun. So instead of turning our ovens on and using that energy, we are going to use the energy from the sun to try and make something. Guess what it is? It has 3 ingredients: graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Any guesses? You got it. We're gonna make s'mores in a solar oven. Come check it out. You will need a cardboard box, plastic wrap, tin foil, black construction paper, glue, and tape. The first thing you need to do is to cut a flap on the top of your box. You should be able to open it up just like this. Next, you're going to cut your black construction paper so that it fits on the inside of the bottom of your box. Now tape it into place. Grab your glue and apply it to the inside of the flap of your box. You're going to glue your tin foil on top of this. Push it down with your hands to make sure it's nice and flat and in place. Here's what it should look like. Next, you're going to cut around the edge of your box to make a second flap that can open. This is probably the trickiest part of making your solar box. You want to cover the inside of your second flap with plastic wrap. We just use some tape to hold it in place. Now your box is all ready to go. Time to make your s'mores. Bring your box outside to a sunny place with no shade. Put your graham cracker in your solar oven and add your chocolate and your marshmallow on top of it. You can add as many s'mores into your solar oven that will fit. Close the plastic lid on your solar oven and watch your s'mores. This may take a while depending on the weather outside. It took us about 20 minutes. They look ready. Time to take them out and add your graham cracker on top. Okay, so we put our s'mores in our solar oven. We left it in the sun for about 20 minutes. And you can see that the chocolate is all melted. Not sure what happened with the marshmallows yet. We have to see when we put the graham cracker on top if the marshmallow gets squishy underneath. We'll have to see if the solar oven worked. Okay, so we are going to open it up. I taped ours closed so that I can make sure the heat really stayed in. So, Ray, can you help me maybe pop open that tape? Don't pull too hard. Okay, can you get one of the s'mores out of there? Can you pull one out? Okay, look at that gooey chocolate. Okay, now push your s'more on top of it. Now let's see.
I'm scared of the chocolate.
Oh, look, it's all squeezing out the side. Can you show us the side? That looks delicious. Okay, take a bite. Sounds crunchy. Ooh, and gooey.
Oh, good.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs up. Hey guys. So we just wanted to share some things that we learned while doing our experiment, right? Because your experiments don't always go as planned, right? Sometimes things happen and you learn from them. So we learned 2 things today. One, today was a really nice sunny day. It felt very warm. It was probably about 60 degrees. And our solar oven did work, but we were thinking that if we tried it on a day that was even warmer, maybe 70 degrees or 80 degrees, that 1, our s'mores probably would have melted faster, and 2, maybe our marshmallows would have melted a little bit more, right? They would have been a little gooier than they were today. The second thing that we learned was there was a better box that we could have used. So the 2 boxes we thought of that would be better to use were a pizza box or a shoe box. And I'm gonna show you why. Okay, so here is my shoebox. This is what we decided to try after we did the experiment. And I'm gonna show you why this is easier, because a pizza box or a shoebox already opens up. So you don't have to make that second cut in your box. And then when you close your oven, it's nice and secure. Okay, so you do it the same way. You still make your cut in the top of the box. You still put your tin foil, glue it to this top flap. You're still going to glue your black construction paper onto the bottom. And then you're going to tape your saran wrap to the inside of your cover here, right? So you have a nice little plastic cover here on this part that opens. So you can see that you can open up your box now, your solar oven. You can pop your s'mores inside, your ingredients, and then you just close it up. You leave this part up. You might have to prop it up, maybe put a little rock here or something, and voila, you have your solar oven, right? So the light from the sun is going to reflect off of this and go inside the box, and it's going to heat it. So we're going to use the heat from the sun to help melt the chocolate and the marshmallows. So I hope it works for you guys. I hope you guys have fun. If you give it a try, send us some pictures, even if they're really messy and gooey with chocolate and marshmallow. Okay, have fun. Bye.